seng Congress kalpen sngo bakam sham la babi yak jingphet seng jong ki MLA shaki wei pat ki seng ki bakan thop kum yau mukol sangma bat ki wei de namar bakashem baki ni ki briew ki balami ki lapan ishai baki de ki briew ki ba angnot tangna ka banta ka bha kamyat jong la desiman ne yak yeng ka sam yak ki wei bat ka jalla Haba kran sikilat pathai kubor u General Secretary ka All India Congress Committee u Jairam Ramesh ulaong bama u shimet hi u shimba umukul udai u Judas jong ka jok ka bamanta namar dai ubri u badan ka nongrem ya ka seng hendai udai tang ubri u perkhat ya ka malade bat ka yeng ka sam Nalor kata ulaong ka jingphet jongki kala bha palat na ba ka seng Congress menta kala la ban sei de ki briew ki badan ka jingkitkhlieh bat ka perkhat perdan ka biang ya ka jalla kham tam bakarta jongki ru kadang biang bat ki de ki bala ban thau thmai ya ka kom tre kam jong ka seng Congress ha Meghalaya.
It's just pure petty personal ambition of Mukul Sangma, wife, daughter, son-in-law, son, daughter-in-law, grandchild, children. What is all this? He has got everything. The Congress party has given him everything. Given him respect, given him position. And I myself, when Mr. D.D. Lapang was the CM, I would come and he would come and complain to me saying that I'm not getting position in the party. And a lot of us who were his friends, Salman Khurshid, myself, we moved heaven and earth. And finally Mukul Sangma was made CM. And even when he was CM, I used to have very good equations with him. But you know, when personal ambition takes over your commitment, ideological commitment, it's obvious he has no ideological commitment to anything whatsoever. He has commitment only to the advancement of his own interest and the advancement of his extended family. What is the TMC here? TMC here is JMP, Judas Mukul party. He and his family. Nobody has a monopoly on any position, okay? Changes are made keeping in mind various circumstances. Mr. Mukul Sangma had free access to the Congress High Command. He met with Srimati Sonia Gandhi. He met with Mr. Rahul Gandhi. And even after meeting them, he betrayed them. He is nothing but Judas. He is a modern day Judas.
Okay, the 12 of this. But after that, another 5 left the Congress.
So these are, you see, the BJP is using ED, CBI, income tax. All instruments, coercive instruments are being used against people who have something or the other to hide and who cannot compromise, who don't have the will to fight, who have no commitment to the Congress ideology. So it's good all these people have left. Today, 47 out of 60 candidates in the Congress party are below the age of 45. They are youngsters, MBAs, lawyers, teachers, retired civil servants. 10 out of 60 are women. Vacancies were created by the mass migration of all these Judases, you know. So it's good that the people have left and new people have been given opportunity, and we are hoping that we are building the foundations of a new Congress in Meghalaya. No, we are starting, absolutely, no doubt about it. You know, we were the predominant force. We were the dominant force in Meghalaya. In fact, not by Meghalaya. We were the dominant force in Assam. We were the dominant force in not in Tripura. CPM was the dominant force, but we were certainly the dominant force in Manipur. Ibobi Singh had 3 consecutive terms. And you know, you had Lapang here, you had, well, even Mr. Sangma, both Father Sangma and Son Sangma. Son Sangma was not in the Congress, but Father Sangma was a creation of the Congress party. Where would Purno Sangma be without the Congress party? So I think, you know, when you're in politics, you must have some commitment to a political ideology, to a political party through its ups and downs. You only want to be in a political party when it's on an up. Tomorrow when it is BJP is down, the same Mukul Sangmas, the same content Sangmas will look to the Congress. This is not the way politics should be run. Politics should be run on ideology, on values, on ideas, on programs, not on personal whims and fancies, not on personal ambition, and not on my daughter-in-law has not been given a ticket, my son-in-law has not been given a ticket, my grandson should be given a ticket, my granddaughter should be given. What is all this?
The rampant corruption in Meghalaya has choked the development process in the state. Is this the Meghalaya we dreamt of? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.